Is your AT&T BGW320 gateway not working as expected? Today we'll explore the most common issues users face and how to diagnose them effectively. The most common BGW320 issues in 2025 include Wi-Fi 6E compatibility problems with newer devices, port forwarding complications affecting gaming and streaming, overheating problems, and DNS resolution failures causing intermittent connectivity. Start with basic connectivity checks. First, power cycle the gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Then check all cable connections and verify the LED status indicators. Understanding LED indicators is crucial. A solid green power LED indicates normal operation, while a red LED may signal hardware failure or overheating. A flashing green broadband LED means it's attempting connection, and solid red indicates a service outage. For Wi-Fi issues, access the Gateway Admin panel at 192.168.2524 and check your Wi-Fi settings. Try changing the wireless channel to 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz networks, as these channels don't overlap. For port forwarding problems affecting gaming and streaming, ensure you've set a static IP address for the target device and configured the port forwarding rules correctly in the gateway settings. If you're experiencing DNS resolution failures causing intermittent connectivity, change your DNS servers to public options like 8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Clear the DNS cache on your devices and restart the gateway after making changes. Remember these key diagnostic points. Always start with basic connectivity checks, monitor LED indicators, test wired versus wireless connections separately, use optimal Wi-Fi channels, and configure static IP addresses for gaming devices. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your BGW320 issues, it's time to move to advanced techniques. These methods require more careful attention, but can solve persistent problems. The factory reset is a powerful troubleshooting tool, but it comes with important warnings. This process will completely erase all your custom settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, port forwarding rules, and network configurations. To perform a factory reset, locate the small reset button on the back panel of your BGW320. With the device powered on, press and hold this button for 10 seconds using a paperclip or similar tool. Keeping your gateway's firmware up to date is crucial for optimal performance and security. AT&T regularly releases updates that fix bugs, improve performance, and patch security vulnerabilities. Strategic placement of your BGW320 gateway is essential for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. The location significantly impacts signal strength, speed, and overall network performance throughout your home. Quality of service configuration is critical for homes with many smart devices. QoS allows you to prioritize bandwidth for important devices and applications, preventing network congestion. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your BGW320 running optimally. Following a structured maintenance schedule helps prevent issues before they occur and ensures peak performance. Annual network evaluation helps identify long-term issues and optimization opportunities. For complex setups with many devices or persistent problems, consider professional network assessment to ensure optimal performance. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and following a regular maintenance schedule, you can keep your BGW320 gateway running at peak performance. Remember that prevention is always better than reactive troubleshooting.